Imagine driving for hours and seeing nothing but empty land. No people, no houses, just miles of silence. Why are entire states across America practically abandoned? Let's dive into 5 states people are leaving fast. 1. Wyoming. At number 5, we have Wyoming, the least populated state in America. Sure, the landscapes are stunning, but the job market? Practically non-existent. Coal, oil, and gas industries are shrinking fast, leaving few opportunities. And don't get me started on the winters. Blizzards can trap entire towns for days. So unless you love freezing temps and isolation, this state isn't for you. Number 4. Vermont. The picture-perfect state for postcards but not for long-term living. High property taxes, brutal winters, and a shrinking job market have made it tough to stay. Young people? They're leaving in droves, making Vermont's population one of the oldest in the nation. 3. North Dakota. Coming in at number 3, North Dakota. More cows than people. Once booming from the oil industry, jobs have dried up, leaving ghost towns behind. And the winters, minus 60 degrees Fahrenheit, with winds that can freeze your face off in minutes. Yikes! 4. West Virginia. Number 2, West Virginia. Once a thriving coal powerhouse, now struggling with poverty, a failing job market, and an opioid crisis. Without strong industries, many residents have no choice but to leave. The beautiful mountains hide a tough reality. Number 1, Mississippi. The lowest income, the worst healthcare, and some of the weakest education systems in the U.S. Add in hurricanes, extreme heat, and flooding. It's no wonder people are packing up and leaving. So, what do you think? Would you live in one of these states, or are they just too empty to call home? Let us know in the comments, hit like, share, and subscribe for more eye-opening content. See you in the next one.